Good morning students, welcome to maths class. In the previous virtual class we have studied about the estimation of products. Now today we'll learn about multiplication by 3 digits. We have already learned the multiplication by 1 digit and by 2 digit. Multiplication of 3 digit is also exactly same as we are doing of multiplication by 2 digits. I'll explain you with the example. First example. Suppose the number is example 1. Suppose the number is 541 multiplied by 368. This is the question. You have to multiply 541 by 368, right? Now, first we have to arrange these numbers vertically according to the places. The multiplicand is also of 3 digits and the multiplier is also of 3 digits. So, there are ones, tens and hundred. So, 100 places. So, we'll arrange ones, tens and 100. Clear? Now we'll write the first number, which is the multiplicand, 541, right? Now we have to multiply by 368. We'll write downside 368 and we'll multiply and put the multiplication sign. Now you know that we have to multiply by 3 digits. In the first chapter only you have learnt about the expanded form. So we'll write the multiplier in the expanded form. How to write it as we are saying 368 means 300 plus 60 plus 8. This is the expanded form. You have already learnt in the first chapter. So now we'll start multiplying. Always remember we have to multiply from the ones place. Ones place is 8. And we have to multiply 8 by 1. So, we have to multiply 541 by 8 first. 8 is on the ones place. Right? Now, 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. 2 will be written on the tens place and 3 will be carried on the 100 place. Now, 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So, we'll write 43. So, 4 will come on the 1000 place. Clear? This we have multiplied by a ones place. Now, we have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 66. So, what we have to multiply? 549 by 60. Now, we are multiplying by the tens place. So, we have to put 0 or cross on the ones place. We should put cross or 0 on the ones place because we have to multiply by the tens place. So, we will start writing the answer from the tens place only. So, 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. 4 will be written on 100 place and 2 will be carried on 1000 place. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So, 2 will be written on 1000 place and 3 will be written on 10,000 place. Right? Now, we have to multiply by the 100 place. 100 place is 3. So, we have to multiply 541. What is the expanded form written here? 300. Now, we are multiplying by the 100 place. So, ones and the tens place will be replaced by 0 or cross. We put a cross or 0 on these places. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. 2 will be written on 1000 place and 1 will be carried on 10,000 place. Now 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Right? Now we have to add them. Put a plus sign. 8. Here are cross or 0, that means 8 only. Now 6 plus 2 is After 6, count 2 numbers. 7, 8. Right? Now 3 plus 4. After 3, count 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. So we'll put 0 here and 1 will be carried on the thousand place. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4. After 4, count 4 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we'll write 9 here. Next, 6 plus 3. After 6, count 3 numbers. 7, 8, 9. So we'll again write 9 on the 10,000 place. 1 is on the lakh place. Right? So here will be 1 only. We have multiplied 541 by 368. So this is the product. Now we'll put commas. We'll put commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. So what is the product? 1,99,088. What is the product? 1,99,088. Clear, students? Another example. Another example is suppose the question is, second example I am giving. Suppose the question is 325 multiplied by 105. 325 you have to multiply by 105. This is the question given. Always remember that when we are multiplying by 3 digits, replace the ones place by 0 when we are multiplying by the second digit, and replace ones and the tens place by 0 when we are multiplying by the third digit. So first we have to arrange them vertically according to the places. Ones, tens, 100. So we'll put ones, tens, 100. Now arrange the numbers vertically. Multiplicand is 325 and the multiplier is 105. Put multiplier sign. Right? Now we have to write the multiplier in the expanded form. What is the expanded form, students? Yes, how we speak? 105. So 100 plus 0 plus 5. Right? Or we for 0 we doesn't use to write, so we can say 100 plus 5 also, but we are multiplying, so we are writing the whole expanded form. This is the expanded form. Now we have to multiply with the ones place. Correct. What is the ones place? 5. 5 we have to multiply by 5 only. So 325 multiplied by 5. You have to first multiply by the ones place. So 5 5s are 25. 5 will be written on ones place and 2 will be carried on the tens place. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 will be written on tens place and 1 will be carried on the 100 place. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 will be written on 100 place and 1 will be written on 1000 place. Right? Now we have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 0. So if we doesn't multiply, we put a 0 also, then also it's correct. Or if we multiply 325 by 0, 2 zeros only. All of you know that when we multiply any number by 0, we get the product as 0 only. So we'll replace ones place by cross. 0 5s is 0 only. 0 2s are 0 only. 0 3s are 0 only. Always remember, when we multiply any number by 0, the product will always be 0 only. Now we have to multiply by the 100 place. What is the 100 place? 1. So 325 multiply by 100. Right? Now we are multiplying by the 100 place. So the ones and the tens place will be replaced by 0 or cross. We know that when we multiply any number by 1, the product is the number itself. 1 5s are 5 only. 1 2s are 2 only. 1 3s are 3 only. So this is coming on a 10,000 place. Right? Now we have to add them. 5 plus 0 or 5 plus cross is 5 only. 2 plus 0, 2 only. If we add 0 to any number, we get the same number only. So 2 plus 0 is 2 only. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 will be carried on the 1000 place. 1 and 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And 3 comes on the 10,000 place. Right? So when we multiply 325 by 105, we get the product this. Now put the commas according to the places: ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000 and 10,000. So the product is 34,125. What is the product? 34,125. Clear, students? Now just now we have multiplied 3-digit number by 3 digits. Now we'll multiply 4 digits number by 3 digit. 54 multiplied by 267. We have to multiply 8054 by 267. So first we have to arrange them vertically according to the places. The multiplicate is in 4 digits. So the number is in 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 8054 multiplied by 267. 267. Multiply them. Before multiplying, what we have to do? We have to write the multiplier in the expanded form. What is the expanded form of this? 200 plus 60 plus 7. Now always start multiplying from which place? Yes, ones place. Ones place is 7. So we have to multiply 8054 by 7. Now 7 fours are 28. Very good. 2 will be carried on the tens place. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 3 will be carried on the 100 place. Always, all of you know that if we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. So 7 zeros are 0 only. But if we add 0 to any number, we get the number itself. So 0 plus 3 is 3 only. 7 8s are 56. 6 will be written on 1000 place and 5 will be written on 10,000 place. Add 10,000 please. Now we have to multiply by which place? We have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 6. So we have to multiply 8054 by, what is the expanded form given? 60. We are multiplying by the tens place. So ones place will be replaced by cross or 0. 6 4s are 24. 4 will be written on the tens place and 2 will be carried on the 2 will be carried on tens place. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 2, 3 will be carried on the 100 place. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. 6 8s are 48. 8 will be written on 10,000 place and 4 will be written on lakh place. Add lakh place. Now we have to multiply by the 100 place. 100 place is 2. So we have to multiply 8054 by What is the expanded form? 200. Now we are multiplying by the 100 place. So the ones and the tens place will be replaced by cross or 0. Right? Now 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10, 0, and 1 will be carried on 100 place. 2 zeros are 0 and plus 1, 1 only. 2 eights are 16. 6 will be written on lakh place and 1 will be written on 10 lakh. Now we add them and we'll get the product. 8 plus cross is 8 only. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 will be carried on the 100 place. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 4 will be written on the 100 place and 1 will be carried on the 1000 place. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 3, 10. 0 will be written on 1000 place and 1 will be carried on the 10,000 place. Now 5 and 1, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 will be written on 10,000 place and 1 will be carried on the lakh place. Now 6 plus 4, 10. 10 and 1, 11. 1 will be written on the lakh place and 1 will be carried to the 10 lakh place. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the product. The answer of multiplication is known as product. Now we put the commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakh. So 21 lakh 50,418. When we multiply 8,054 by 267, the product is 21 lakh 50,418. I hope all of you must be clear of multiplying by 3-digit numbers. Now from your book, do exercise 4.3, page number 49. Do exercise 4.3, page number 49, question number 2. Question number 2, you can see question number 2, A, B, C, D, E and F question. Page number 48, 9 and 50. Question 2 you have to do in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.